Ever feel like your garden's just one step away from being absolutely amazing? What if I told you the secret upgrade isn't a fancy fertilizer or a mystery chemical, it's actually something you probably already have in your medicine cabinet? I'm talking about regular 3% hydrogen peroxide, and trust me, once you see how it can transform your plants, you'll never look at your garden the same way again. First off, hydrogen peroxide is basically water with a bonus, an extra oxygen molecule. That little difference, it changes everything for your plants. When you use it right, hydrogen peroxide oxygenates your soil, kicks out harmful microbes, and gives roots exactly what they crave. So let's dive into 10 super growth benefits that'll make you want to grab a bottle right now. Number 1, reviving struggling roots. If you've ever battled slow growth or root rot, you know how important oxygen is below ground. Mix a tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide into a liter of water and pour it at the base of your plants. Instantly, you're sending a wave of fresh oxygen right to the roots, helping them recover and grow stronger. Number 2, stopping root rot before it spreads. Notice yellow leaves or funky smell? That's root rot trying to take over. A slightly stronger mix, 2 tablespoons per liter, zaps harmful bacteria and gives your plant a fighting chance to bounce back. Third, boosting seed germination. Seeds love a little extra oxygen when waking up. Soak them in a weak hydrogen peroxide solution before planting, and you'll see faster, more even sprouting. It also keeps fungal nasties away from your precious seedlings. Number 4, cleaning and refreshing garden tools. Forget harsh chemicals. A spray of 3% hydrogen peroxide on your pruners or pots disinfects in seconds. No more spreading disease from plant to plant. Fifth, helping cuttings root faster. Before sticking a new cutting in soil or water, dip the tip in a mild peroxide solution for a minute. It stops rot before it starts and gives your new plant the clean slate it needs to thrive. Sixth, aerating soil for better growth. Heavy, compacted soil? Hydrogen peroxide breaks it up and pulls oxygen down to hungry roots. You'll notice fresher leaves and stronger stems, even if your soil was struggling before. Lucky number 7, supporting hydroponic and container gardens. Stagnant water can choke roots in pots or hydro setups. A splash of hydrogen peroxide in your watering routine keeps things fresh and free of slimy buildup. 8. Keeping fungal issues under control. Dealing with powdery mildew or funky mold, mist a gentle peroxide mix over your plants and let it dry in the morning sun. It helps break down fungus and keeps leaves looking their best. 9th, freshening compost and eliminating odors. If your compost is starting to smell less than earthy, a light spray of hydrogen peroxide brings it back to life. No harsh chemicals, just pure oxygen boosting those good microbes. And finally, number 10, protecting young seedlings. Damping off disease can wipe out your baby plants overnight. A weekly watering with a super mild peroxide mix helps keep them healthy, upright, and ready to take on your garden. What I love most about hydrogen peroxide is just how easy it is to use safely and effectively. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and works with almost every style of gardening. So, next time you're out in the garden, remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. If this helped you see hydrogen peroxide in a whole new light, hit subscribe and share this video with a fellow gardener who could use a growth boost. Until next time, keep growing smart.